Hey guys, welcome back to another installment of Fletcher's Fun Facts. Today, we'll be discussing the top 5 ways that you can care for the national parks and bushland areas in your region. There are a lot of different national parks and bushland areas that have all their different rules and regulations, but by following these top 5 rules, you'll be able to correctly use and care for our bushland areas. The first thing you can do to protect your bushland area is to protect the plants and animals. You can do this by not feeding any birds or other animals, as they will get sick and rely on humans. Do not take anything home with you. Leave everything you find in the bush. And do not trample any of the native bushland, as it will make it hard to regrow. If you do see a sick or injured animal, you can contact wires and they will help you care for it. The second way that you can be responsible in your bushland area is to be careful with fire. When you're in the bush, if you light a fire to cook food or warm yourself up, you must always consider these things. Research if there's a fire restriction before lighting a fire, and ensure you are the responsible adult. If you're camping, use a fuel stove or fireplace if possible. If you need to do an open fire, try and use an existing fire pit. The third way that you can protect your bushland area is to pick up your rubbish. Make sure that you take all your rubbish with you and leave the location as you found it. And if you see rubbish along the way, make sure you pick it up. The fourth way that you can protect your native bushland area is by leaving your pets at home. Whilst there are exceptions for animal-friendly areas, generally it is frowned upon to have dogs or cats off-leash in a bushland area, as they've been known to frequently hunt small native animals such as birds and marsupials. Many animals have become endangered or extinct due to hunting from cats and dogs. The fifth way that you can care for your native bushland area is by camping, walking and driving with care when staying on the path. When travelling through the bush, it is important to always stay on the path. It's there for a reason. Staying on the path prevents excessive erosion from happening, where the paths will widen naturally. Walking off the path can also impact the plants and animals. Once a plant has been trodden on, it will likely die, and walking off the path can also impact animals, as they may be trodden on or may become agitated and try to attack you. Anyways, thanks for listening guys. That's been the top 5 ways you can look after your native bushland area. Cheers for listening.